This is the pilot or indicative scale furnace at the Jensen Hughes Fire Testing Lab here in Australia, along with what's left of the specimen you're about to see tested. It has an opening size of 1.2 by 1.2 meters and can be used in both vertical and horizontal configurations. The pilot furnace can also be adapted to test specimens up to 1.6 by 1.6 meters in both orientations. This furnace is mainly used to test penetration systems, control joints, dampers, and door hardware in accordance with AS 1530 Part 4. It can also be used to conduct penetration testing in accordance with international standards including EN 1363 Part 1 and EN 1366 Part 3, as well as for indicative research and development testing of walls, floors, or even bushfire testing. In this example, we're demonstrating a pilot-scale wall penetration test in accordance with Section 10 of AS 1530 Part 4. There are 9 penetration surfaces through a separating element which, in this case, is a wall comprised of a single layer of 13mm fire-rated plasterboard either side of 64mm steel framing with an established FRL of 1 hour. A penetration system, no matter how well it performs during a test, cannot be assigned an FRL greater than the separating element in which it's installed. The local passive fire protection includes intumescent and acrylic sealants, fire collars and wraps, protecting a variety of surfaces and configurations. A minimum 200mm clearance is maintained between the penetration systems and the internal surfaces of the furnace chamber. Each surface must protrude a minimum of 500mm out from each side of the separating element, with at least 200mm extending past any protective system, such as collars or wrapping. The maximum length of any unprotected surface on the unexposed side is 500mm, but combustible surfaces like plastic pipes must extend a minimum of 2 meters from the separating element. General pipe systems must be capped on the exposed side and open on the unexposed side. As penetration systems are non-load-bearing, they are only required to meet 2 of the 3 performance criteria outlined in AS 1530 Part 4. These are integrity and insulation. For integrity, the penetration system must not exhibit sustained flaming for more than 10 seconds on the unexposed side, or a cotton pad applied for 30 seconds must not show any evidence of glowing or flaming. For insulation, the temperature recorded by a fixed or roving thermocouple on the unexposed face of the penetration system must not exceed the initial temperature by more than 180 degrees. All compliant AS 1530 Part 4 Section 10 testing is conducted to provide an AS 4072 Part 1 compliance, but changes in 2005 removed all testing specifications from this latter standard. However, testing in accordance with it is still erroneously nominated in the construction code. Additionally, if the penetration system is installed through a separating element that incorporates protected timber, the protected timber provisions in the construction code will also be assessed.